look at each wall, there is a blue Post-it note and a red Post-it note. The blue Post-it note is pro-AI. Your stance on AI is good. There's no faults in it. You think it's going to be great for people. But the red note, you have your doubts about AI. You think that this could possibly harm society and humanity. And if you're split in between the two, I want you to be in the middle of the room. You see that there's pros and cons, but you think it's too soon to see if there are any flaws. All right, we already got some campers, some haters over there. I like it.
You can do it. You can do it. It's easier
All right.
to walk.
Come on, let's go. All right, so we all see this artwork right here. This artwork was created by Jason Allen somewhere in 2022. He entered this artwork in a Colorado arts competition and he won first place with a grand prize of $300. A few months later, he admitted on Twitter that he created this artwork with AI. A machine made this beautiful, just complex piece of art. And this is back in 2022. Almost a year later, AI has become a hot button topic. Is AI the savior to humanity that many claim it is, or is it the destroyer of worlds that has been depicted for decades in movies and television? Now, when I say AI is dangerous, I don't want you to just take my word for it. I want you to take the words of over 27,000 people who have signed the Future of Life Institute's open letter to AI development. The letter says that we need to pause AI development immediately before AI develops beyond our powers to control it. And this letter has been signed by a lot of tech experts and a lot of leading figures in the tech community, such as Elon Musk, Steve Wozniak, and Evan Sharp, developers of Tesla, Apple, and Pinterest, respectively. I want to draw attention to a quote from Socrates, who had no idea that AI was ever going to exist. He said, with his dying words, "The unexamined life is a life that is not worth living." What he meant by that is that if you do not think or observe things in life with your own mind, there's no meaning to it. So, after class, I want you to go to the computer lab and I want you to sign the letter from the Future of Life Institute calling for the immediate pause of AI development. But I want you to think, really think about what I'm saying here. All right? Artificial intelligence has made significant progress in recent years, and its impact on society has grown at an unprecedented rate. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries from healthcare and transportation. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. The present danger of AI is that its development is happening faster than our ability to understand and control it and its potential risks. One of the most significant concerns surrounding AI is its potential to displace human workers. AI can automate tasks that were previously done by humans, leading to job losses and economic instability. According to a report from the World Economic Forum, by 2025, AI is expected to displace 85 million jobs worldwide. 85 million jobs. AI can be used for cyber attacks as well, as it can quickly identify vulnerabilities and launch attacks. Furthermore, AI can also be used to create convincing deepfakes, which can be used to manipulate public opinion and spread information. Has anyone here heard of a deepfake? Would you like to explain what a deepfake is?
So I don't know exactly what it is, but isn't it where you sort of take audio clips of other people's voices and you feed it into the AI to basically create a synthesized version of their voice?
That is a huge, huge part of it. But deepfakes.
Too, right?
What's that?
It's done visual components too, like videos.
Yeah. That's a big part of it as well. Deepfakes, like you just said, is when someone can make an audio clip of someone saying something, even if they've never said it, or they can make images or videos of people doing things that they've never done. And if you've given it a shred of thought, you can see how this can go terribly, terribly wrong. According to Wired, a tech magazine publication, deepfakes have been used to create pornographic videos of many celebrities and online personalities. Matched with an AI voice simulator, deepfakes can also be used to impersonate influential figures and spread misinformation. Imagine if someone used AI to impersonate Joe Biden and declared war on China. Or if someone deepfaked the new head of the CDC and called for another pandemic lockdown. The results of a deepfake, if not properly caught in time, it could lead to catastrophe. Now we're on to ChatGPT. ChatGPT was founded in 2016. Well, the company that owns ChatGPT, OpenAI, they started in 2016. In 2018, they came out with the ChatGPT using the GPT-1 system. By 2022, they had created the third iteration of the GPT system. This new GPT is now one of the most famous AIs today, and it's one of the most powerful, which is causing the topic. And within a few months, they will be releasing GPT-4. And we have no idea what the GPT-4 system could look like. It has the ability to make itself smarter and faster through trial and error. AI systems are becoming increasingly complex, making it difficult to understand how they make decisions. Furthermore, the rapid pace of development means that there is a risk of losing control over AI. This lack of oversight could lead to unintended consequences, such as AI systems making decisions that go against human values. Now we're really getting into that Matrix, Terminator kind of situation. While I just mentioned a bunch of scary stuff like job crises and robots going against humanity, that doesn't mean AI is all bad, right? There are plenty of ways that AI can be useful. For example, Legal Robot. It's a system that can decipher legal jargon and put it into plain English for anyone to understand. Lumen 5 can create videos easier just by adding a simple to use interface and to add video resources to simplify editing. Firefly can make transcripts of conversations on Zoom and create analytics on the decisions being made in the call. These AI programs and many others can make people's jobs easier by removing the need for manual labor. Other programs like SoundDraw and Lala AI can make music or aid musicians in creating music by isolating certain musical elements in the song. Programs like DALL-E 2 and Stable Diffusion can procedurally create artwork like this and images using user prompts or pre-existing images. So what can I do to discredit all of this? Well, what if I told you that the majority of this speech was made with ChatGPT? What if I told you that I could create any painting I could ever want just by opening a website? What if I told you that I could deepfake anyone in this room, or your parents, or your siblings, or your children, and I could make any video I could ever want just by using a single photograph? Is that the future that you want? A future without privacy, without integrity, a future without thought, a future where people could win Grammys without even knowing how to make music or play instruments, or win Oscars just by editing a digital avatar? With AI, we don't even have to think. We don't even have to examine things. AI has the capabilities of doing this for us, making major decisions. Like Socrates once said, the unexamined life is not worth living. Well, why would I ever have to think if ChatGPT can write my speeches?